Okay, this is test number 2, Forerunner setup with the boom. First test we got 2 sections short of the top. This time around we're 1 section short from the top. The dipole is roughly 50 to 70 feet. I haven't been able to take exact measurements. I don't even know if you can see it in this, but there's little orange paper safety tape on the end. Went out that direction, and again this direction, if I can shield the camera appropriately to give you something resembling a view. But once again, I don't even know if you can see it here. I can't see it in the viewfinder. But to give you an idea of the terrain, this direction is roughly north. You can see the power lines there in the distance. 1 minor hill. And panning around, that's the direction of Round Valley. And there's Yvonne. Hi, Yvonne. And that's kind of where all the trails are and whatnot, but that's a bigger hill, much closer to the south. And panning around again. East-west is probably going to be much better because there's just fewer larger hills, certainly this close. Right now this is particularly active with hikers and some horse people, but not too bad. We've actually got the dipole straddling the road. A small car can get through without too much difficulty. Slightly closer view of the mounting setup. We have the board, a little over 2-inch hole, where the extendo stick gets dropped into. I actually need to extend it out a little bit more, widen it a bit, stick the Dremel tool on it. Panning up, there's the U-bolt setup, which actually works pretty good. Right now we've got the rope tied off there. We'll actually get something a little bit better there. We do need a longer stick, as you can tell. At least I hope you can tell, because I'm not seeing much from this angle. There we go. Yep. So need a longer stick. I think we've discussed a few ideas on that. And the last length of my naked coax going into the back. So, not too bad. Definitely need some guys though. I am thinking a guy, at least one going off the back, is because this thing is pointing a little bit forward. Probably a high up guy in order to pull it back a little bit, because the boom extends out about 1 foot forward. And I think that's pulling it down a little bit with 2.5 pound weights on either end of the dipole, plus the pulley rope coming down. Anyways, this is test number 2. We'll give this thing another run next good opportunity, make some improvements, figure it out, maybe hopefully get some guys going by next time.